Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Best Android phone $1,799. The best foldable phone just got better. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is so good that it might just win over foldable phone skeptics. Samsung addressed some of the durability concerns. The display, for example, is up to 80% tougher, and the whole phone is water-resistant. Want to do more with a massive 7.6-inch screen? There's S Pen support, plus an under-display camera to make for a more immersive display. Think foldable phones cost too much? Well, we can't help you much there. This sequel is still pricey at $1,799, but at least it's $200 cheaper than its predecessor at launch. If you're looking for a truly affordable foldable, the new $999 Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is a better bet. For a deeper comparison, see our Galaxy Z Fold 3 vs Galaxy Z Flip 3 face-off. Other notable Galaxy Z Fold 3 upgrades include a brighter display and enhanced multitasking features, complete with a Windows-like taskbar. However, the battery life could be better, the design is still quite bulky, and Samsung should have included the S Pen. Galaxy Z Fold 3 Review, Design and Durability. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 adds a lot in the way of durability, even if it's still on the bulky side. Right off the bat, you'll be glad to know that the new Galaxy Z Fold is IPX8 water resistant, which means it can withstand being in up to 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. I doubt most people will dunk this foldable, but it's good to know it can handle everything from splashes to rain. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 Review, Displays and Audio. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 once again features two displays, a 6.2-inch OLED cover display and a 7.6-inch main screen that's revealed once you unfold the device. Both panels offer a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and I experienced smooth scrolling and overall performance during my hands-on time with the phone. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 Review, Softwares and Special Features. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 is a multitasking powerhouse. Thanks to the multi-active window feature, you can run two apps side by side, dragging and dropping content between them, or run up to 3 apps at once. And now the enhanced app pair feature lets you create shortcuts for 2 apps later in the same way you had them open. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 Review, S Pen. Given that I've always found using a stylus on even the biggest phablets cramped, it's refreshing to see Samsung add S Pen support to a 7.6-inch foldable phone. There's simply more room to take notes, sketch or mark up documents without needing to constantly zoom in. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 Review, Cameras. There's really not much new to report on the camera hardware front with the Galaxy Z Fold 3, with the exception of the under-display camera. But Samsung has brought some of the best camera features over from the Galaxy S21 Ultra, including single-take, dynamic video, and director's view, for using the front and back cameras at once. Other highlights include rear camera selfie and a capture view mode that lets you see your photos on the left and your live preview on the right. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, Performance. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 proved mostly snappy in our hands-on time, and that's because it has some pretty beefy hardware under the hood. A Snapdragon 888 chip runs the show, and it's backed by 12 GB of RAM. There's also 256 GB of internal storage standard, though you can opt for 512 GB. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 Review, Battery Life and Charging. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 packs a 4,400 mAh dual battery, which is a bit smaller than the Z Fold 2's 4,500 mAh pack. And we were disappointed in the results of our web surfing battery test, which involves surfing the web over 5G on 150 nits of screen brightness.